A pleasant day to you, dear students. I hope you're all doing fine and well. My name is Teacher Shastagilty Perez, and in today's discussion, we will be tackling about Bloom's taxonomy. So, prepare yourselves and listen carefully as we go through with this discussion. So in 1956, Benjamin Bloom with collaborators Engelhardt, First, Hill, and Krathwohl published a framework for categorizing educational goals, the original taxonomy, which consists of knowledge, comprehension, application, analysis, synthesis, and evaluation. But in this discussion, we are going to be focusing on the revised taxonomy of 2001 by a group of cognitive psychologists, curriculum theorists, and instructional researchers and testing and assessment specialists, which consist of remember, understand, apply, analyze, evaluate, and create. So at the bottom of the pyramid, we have remember or remembering. This is retrieving, recognizing, and recalling relevant knowledge from long-term memory. This involves recognizing and recalling facts. Some of the key terms are define, duplicate, list, memorize, repeat, and state. Then next on the pyramid is the understand or understanding. This is construction meaning from oral, written, and graphic messages through interpreting, exemplifying, classifying, summarizing, inferring, comparing, and explaining. Then above that is apply. So this is carrying out or using a procedure for executing or implementing. It is the use of information in new situations. So some of the keywords are execute, implement, solve, use, demonstrate, interpret, and operate. Moving forward, we have analyze or analyzing. This is breaking material into constituent parts, then determining how the parts relate to one another and to an overall structure or purpose through differentiating, organizing, and attributing. Some of the keywords are differentiating, organizing, comparing, and contrasting. Then we have evaluating. It is making judgments based on criteria and standards through checking and critiquing. This is making decisions after evaluating information. So some of the keywords are appraise, gauge, judge, select, value, weight, and critique. And finally, at the highest of the pyramid is creating. It is putting elements together to form a coherent or functional whole. This is reorganizing the elements into a new pattern or structure through generating, planning, and producing. So some of the keywords are generating and producing. And finally, Bloom's taxonomy is essential because it helps educators identify achievable learning goals and develop plans to meet them. The Bloom's taxonomy framework allows educators to assess learning on an ongoing basis and encouraging students to reflect on their progress. So that is all. Thank you very much.